Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawgs. We're talking chicken noodle soup from Costco. This is the Kirkland brand chicken noodle soup. Now this is going for $10.18. You get 4 pounds of deliciousness. Now again, they use their rotisserie chicken to make this. So you're gonna have quality chicken, I know. This is an easy one, folks, to cook it. You put it in a pan and you heat it up. Now it does say eternal temperatures to 165. The chicken's pre-cooked, so I'm just gonna get it to a boil and then I'm gonna be good with that. So in it as well, it contains wheat and egg and milks. You can see we've got carrots and celery as well, lots of carrots. Okay, we're getting close. It's starting to boil a little bit around the sides. We've had it in there for about 5 minutes. Again, I'm breaking up some of these bigger chunks of chicken. All that, look at that, yummy. Let's try this out. That's good. The vegetables are nice and soft. The flavor's good. Now Brecklin here, she's wanting some of this. Let's get you a bowl. Flavor-wise, probably somewhere right around, I'd give it like a 7.2. What do you think? Oh, you're gonna go eat it? Okay. I mean, it's a good wholesome chicken noodle. A little bit thumbs up. Now, if I had better chicken noodle soup, I would say probably yes. But again, for 10 bucks, again, we're dealing with real chicken and real vegetables and stuff like that. Oh, 8.
An 8, yeah.
You're giving it an 8. And to feed the family, so I would say that's what's left over. We'd get another, well, we'll put more in these guys' bowl. But this will easily feed a family of 5 right here. And we'll probably eat the rest. So I would say for what you get, probably a family of 6. Now remember here at Chef Dawgs, we review Costco food, so there's only 108 million of you out there. So if you enjoy Costco and you know people that might, share it with them. We'd love to have them be part of the Chef Dawgs team. Thanks for watching Chef Dawgs. Have a good one.